Hi everyone, in this video we will be solving top 3 advanced SQL interview questions. The tables and records scripts is in the description of this video for you to practice with me. Let's dive in. Question 1 is write a SQL query to find the 10th highest employee salary from an employee table. They're asking you to write a SQL query to find the 10th highest employee salary. Okay, and they are asking, we have employee table. If you look on your right side, I've given you the employee table and you can see what columns we have. So for this matter, we can write a very simple subquery. Okay, and if you know, subquery has two parts where you write inner query, and from the inner query on top you write your outer query. Okay, so don't get intimidated by the word subquery. It is very simple. You always write inner query first, and from it you get the results and you call this as outer query. So for inner query, I will do very simple select statement. So select a distinct top 10 salary from employee. Give me top 10 unique as distinct salary from employee. Order by salary, DESC. Order the salary by descending order, meaning give me the highest salary first and then all of the rest of the salaries later. So the highest will be first, the second highest will be second, third, fourth, 5, 6, up to 10. This becomes my inner query. Okay, I will put this in open parentheses and close parentheses, and let's call my inner query as imp, short for employee. You can give any name. Okay, to see that what this is pulling, I'm just gonna highlight this and hit execute. If you see, this is giving me salary in descending order up to 10 salaries, no more or no less. Okay, so it's all going from highest to lowest. Now I want this 10th highest, I want this number. Okay, so how will I get this? You will now write the outer query. So from this inner query, I want to pull a select statement. So now I will do select top 1. Okay, select top 1 salary from where? From employee. Okay, let me make this bigger. But I don't just want select top 1 salary because it will give me this number. I want the last number. So again, what I will do, I said select top 1 salary from open parentheses, close parentheses, from imp. Now you will do order by salary again. Okay, put salary here. You can either write it or copy paste in ascending order. Now this ascending will give me the lowest number first. Now if I run this, remember this is 56,000, right? I hit execute. It is giving me 56,000 salary as the 10th highest employee salary. Hope this was easy. Let's move on to the next question. Question 2 is find the department with the highest average salary and have more than 3 employees. So the question says find the department, meaning find the department name with the highest average salary, the most highest salary that the department has, and that department has more than 3 employees. If it has more than 3 employees, then give me the department name with the highest salary. Okay, to do this, we can use the common table expression, which is a temporary table, and we always started by typing with and instead of CTE or common table expression, you can actually give the name to your temporary table. Here I will give the name as Dept average, short for department average, as open parentheses and close parentheses. So here I will write within the open parentheses and close parentheses my select statement to get the department average salary. Okay, so select DEPT name, which is department name. Okay, the department name, comma, average, which is the average aggregate function, salary as my average underscore salary, I'm giving the name, comma, count e.id, e as in the employee table, so e.id as, let's say short as e count, e underscore count. So this is your employee count. From employee alias e, join it on department, so join department, let's call it D, on what's the common column here? The common column between these two is department ID. So e dot DeptID equals d dot DeptID. Group by, so select from group by. Okay, this is the sequence. Select from group by department name, the DeptName column. Why? Because we use the aggregate function, which is average, so we have to use group by. Okay, having count e.id greater 3. So here, remember the sequence is always select from group by having. Having always comes after group by. Having is giving us the count of employee ID is greater than 3. Okay, we cannot use where condition whenever we are doing equal, greater or less sign. Okay, so this is my temporary table to get the department average salary. Let's run this and see what it gives me. I'm going to hit execute. It gives me all the department names with average salary and employee count, but all the employees are more than 3 in those departments. Okay, this is what I created with my temporary table. Now I want to fetch the data from my temporary table, which is to get the maximum average salary, the only department that has the highest salary here. So the way I'm going to do is start with select statement. So select get department name from above, department name. Okay, the first one. Then I'm going to also get average underscore salary from above, which is this that we created. So you can also get it from the option. From here, you can either highlight, copy paste, or you can type it from Dept average, short for department average. Now I'm going to give one more condition, where, because it's not going to give me, let's run it. Let's see what it gives you. Okay, before I put the where condition, if I hit execute, it is still giving me the average salary for everything, but I only want the highest average salary department. So I have to complete my where condition. So I'm going to do where average salary, I'm going to take this column, average salary equals, I'm going to write another statement. Okay, so here I'm typing select max average underscore salary from Dept average, which is a department average, close parentheses. So here I'm giving a where condition where average salary is max average salary from department average. So whichever has the max average salary will be my result. So now if I highlight and hit execute, it will only give me the department or departments that have the highest average salary. Since both departments have the highest salary as same, so I got 2 departments, okay? Based on your records, you can either get 1 or 2 or maybe more, but this is how you solve the question. Okay, let's move on to the third and last question. Question 3. Find employees with the top salary in their department. So employees with top salary in their department only if it's above the company's average salary. So we not just have to find the employees with top salary in their department, but we also have to make sure that the salary is above the company's average salary. So for example, let's just say if company's average salary is $55,000, right? But it should be more than $55,000, just as an example. So the employees' top salary in their department should be maybe like $56,000, $57,000 or more, okay? I'm interested in that from this question. So there's very easy way to do it. We can use common table expression, okay? I can do it in 2 parts. First, I can find department top salary, okay? Department top salary. Second, I will be finding department salary that is above company's average salary. So first I will find, maybe I'll use common table expression, which is the temporary table, department's top salary, okay? And from there I will find department salary that is above company's average salary. So let's do that. Let's start your common table expression. Always type with first, and then you can give your common table expression the name. I'm just going to use this as department top salary as open parentheses, close parentheses. Within that, you're going to write the select statement to get the department top salary. So very simple, write select get department name. Okay, I'll choose the first option, comma, D dot department ID, D for department. So I'm using short as D dot department ID, comma, I'm gonna use the max function, which is the aggregate function, max, because I want salary. So max, the highest salary, max salary as max underscore salary underscore in underscore department. You can literally give any name. You can just write M as well as max, but whatever you feel comfortable writing, write that name, okay? From employee, now I'm writing what tables I'm using. So from employee as E, join department table, so join department as D, and I'm gonna join these 2 tables on same column that they have on E dot department ID. I'm gonna choose from the below here equals D dot department underscore ID. Okay, now I cannot just finish my query here. Since I'm using aggregate function, I have to use group by. So group by, let's group by these 2, okay, which is department name and department ID. Now let's quickly run and see what I have created. Oops, it's giving me, oh, I made a mistake. So if you look on your right side, the column name is DEPTID. There's no underscore. I accidentally gave underscore, so we just remove this. And now try again, hit execute. It's giving me department names, department ID, and maximum salary. So only the salaries, the maximum salaries for those department, not all of the salaries for those department, okay? Just the maximum, just the highest number. So I created my first common table expression, which is department top salary. I got my department top salary. Now I want to get department salary that is above company's average salary from here. So how I will do this is, again, write the select statement, d dot department name, comma, e dot name, which is employee name, comma, d dot max underscore salary underscore in underscore department. This is coming from here. Remember, guys, okay? And what I'm going to do is from here, from department top salary. And this D here is now this, okay? Department top salary. Now I'm going to join this on employee, SE. Okay, where am I going to join this? On D dot DeptID, okay? This is common, equal E dot Dept, which is department ID, DeptID. And there's one more common thing, one more common column, which is D dot max salary from the given options, max salary in department, equal E dot salary, okay? Salary. Okay, this statement will give me, hear me out, this is, we are not complete yet, we have to give one more condition, but right now so far it's giving me department name, employee name, maximum salary in department from department top salary, which is above the temporary table. We joined it on employee and two common columns, which is department ID and salary, right? So if I run this, this is giving me department name, the employee name, maximum salary, but it's still not giving me that is above company's average salary. Okay, to do that, I'm gonna write where condition. So where I'm gonna write d dot max underscore salary and in department. So I'm gonna take this column here, you can either type it or copy paste, okay, is greater than, open parentheses and close parentheses. So we're going to write another short subquery that will give me the, that is telling you the average salary in employee. Select average salary from employee. This is giving you average salary in employee, okay? But here, if you read this, where maximum salary is greater than the average salary from employee. Basically, we are asking if the maximum salary is greater than the average salary in employee. Now run this. This will only give you the department names and the names with maximum salary in department if they are more than the average salary, okay? This is how you will solve this question. Let me know if this was helpful. I hope you like and enjoy the videos that I'm creating. Please hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, and I will keep on creating these amazing videos for you guys. Okay, hope you will benefit from it.